Okay, this is January 4th, 2017 with my Toyota Sienna. Let's see if we can hear that noise coming from the brakes as I put the vehicle in reverse. Okay, I think I heard the noise twice.